So what I will do, I will take this blog, take this article and convert into a beautiful graphics within 5 seconds. Let me show you. I'll just copy this from till here. Now I will go to the Napkin AI, and this is an amazing tool. I will show you the complete thing. Click on the blank napkin, okay, and I will paste my article over here, right? And what I will do now, just look at it. So I will click on this icon, all right, and now see the magic, and we will got our it's hardly 5 seconds, it's hardly 5 seconds, and we got our design over it. So let's look at that, and we got multiple options. So first is this, which is like a roadmap. Break it down, set a timer, eliminate distraction, which is looking really good, really good. I mean, if you are going to create this design, it takes so much time. Second design is okay. This is also pretty good. Design it in this way, in like a convo. All right, what are some okay, this is new because I did not saw this earlier. And can you see? It is like a conversation going between two people. What are the some actionable steps? Let's zoom in. Between steps to break the cycle of procrastination. First, break task into smaller chunks. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. Eliminate distraction. Turning off notifications. Start. Oh my god. Why do people procrastinate? Procrastination of this is. Did you see this? Oh my god. Like, let me tell you, I was using Napkin AI earlier and it was not this good, but right now this is mind blowing. This particular, it was amazing because it think in this way, converted to a convo between two people, which is not at all in the article. So you see, here is nowhere I mention about a conversation between two people, but it automatically did, automatically add this text, automatically create this. Just more advanced now. Let's see the next. You see this, wow, okay, break it down. Wow, this is looking beautiful. Man, come on. All right. Oh my god. Look this. This is so good. So when you use these kinds of images, these kind of graphics in your blog or wherever you are doing the presentation, showing article or wherever, it generates such a big results, generates such a great impact. Okay. So let me show you first, introduce you to this tool which is napkin.ai, and we will go further on this. So this is tool which is site. You can go on to the napkin.ai and you will find it. So it will create all kind of different visuals for you from your text. Okay, it can generate the either for your mind map, flow chart, and convert it into a amazing, beautiful designs for you, right? How it works, simply you can paste your text, it can also generate a text for you, and then if you click this icon, and it automatically generate the visuals, and then you can change it, make it more better and look amazing, right? It had different use cases. You can it for your slides, you need the presentation, you can use it for that. If you are showcasing something in your team, you can use it for that, for your webinar slides, for your emails, for blog articles, you can use for all those places. It helps to engage the audience, right? Easy to write. If you are writing something, put it over there, generate the visuals, and it looks so good because visuals help people to understand it more clearly. Okay, now let me show you some more use cases for this. You can use it for blog articles. In the blog article, like visual summaries, featured images, all the images that you generate for that, explainer graphics, you can use it for that. Then in the presentation, you can use it like business reports, training slides, if you are providing any sorts of training to your team. Okay, then social media content, you can use it for that, for carousels, infographics. For education content, if you are an educator, teacher, or trainer, coach, you can use it definitely. Then sales funnel diagrams, you can use it for that also. Then webinar slides, emails, all those purposes you can use it, and it works really amazing. So now what I will do, I will go back over here, and let's see, let do some changes over here. So suppose if we saw, okay, this is also very good. This is like like since I saw it earlier and now it's a huge change in the napkin.ai and the kind of images it can design and the kind of graphics it have now, and it looking superb. So you see all these things, and the one that I like most is on the top. So this one spiral is also very good, right? And this is also good. So let's choose this one. This road is looking beautiful. Now once you choose the design, okay, you can also choose a different style for those design. So suppose I choose one particular design. Now there are multiple styles. You want it bold color, you want it on light color, you want it on the suppose just borders and no fill color in it. You want it black and white, right? And you want it like a shaded some like this. So simply choose whatever you like. So I will prefer it to be like this. All right, now you did that. After that you can simply edit the design. So suppose if I wanted to change any particular text in this, like this one, so I can choose this and change it. So instead of set a timer, if I wanted to write something else like update timer, just for example, you can do that. Let's change it back, set a timer. Okay, now if you click again and suppose you select that, you can make it bold. You can use the A. You can like small, large, extra large. You can change the size of it. Then alignment, you can simply align left, right, and you can also change the font. There are multiple fonts available. Okay, then you can choose the color and how you want. Do you want it to a shape, some kind of shape it in? And then you can use this again. So this is also new, right? So let's try this out. If I choose suppose this one, just click this and okay, this is for the icon inside this. All right, so you can simply change the icon by clicking this and then select the icon available over here. Okay, and then you can see you use multiple icons, whatever you find best. And once you've done that and you think the design is now perfect and I can take it further and use it, so for that you have simply click on this export button. Okay, and you can download it. So if I go, and you can also choose this ratio and change style. So if I click on this export, you can either do it in png, svg, pdf, however you want. And you can also change it in the dark mode, light mode, right? If you want a background, you don't want a background, you can turn it off, right? And then you can choose a resolution, how the resolution you want, and simply click on download and it will download. And if you don't want to download it, you can simply click on clipboard, copy it, and then suppose here I can't paste, but if I go in mind map and I can paste over here, see? So you can simply paste it wherever you want, copy it, create a design, copy and just paste. So it's really amazing. Now let's try something else. So if I go back over here, right, this article I posted using the AI. But now what I will do, I will break it down into multiple chunks. So suppose for break it down, okay, and this article, let's this particular point and convert into graphic, and let's see what happened. So you see this design is happening. It is very beautiful. All right, this time color is also changed. So see this task management strategy, the overall project or goal, dividing tasks into manageable parts, building momentum through small tasks. Wow. And the design it says it represents so clearly what you can do and how you should follow. Okay, let's see other designs. You can design in this way, which is very beautiful. Okay, then this half to half pie, one fourth of the pie. All right, this is also very good. Okay, let's see others. So once you design, once you get a design, you can see which is uh, much more nearer to what you're trying to explain. Because this is AI. From AI mindset, it will do something. Okay, but you have to think which is reflecting more of your content, which is very near to the context that you wanted to convey. And once you find that, then you can choose that and do some other design changes in it if you want. So here you got multiple design, and let me tell you, AI, this Napkin.ai improves a very much, like a lot since I used it earlier, because earlier it has some fixed designs that it can use only, and now it have multiple designs. All this conversations type of thing was not there at all, and now it is here. So suppose if I want, I use this, and this makes it so much impactful. Suppose if I am writing a blog post and I put this over there, people will wait. Okay, what is this conversation? What are these people discussing? Let's see, and they will just going to read. And once they read this, they will basically reading my article because it all convey in that conversation. So so good. I mean, what a mind that they use it. It is amazing. So let's read it. How can I overcome overwhelm when Facing a big task? Answer: break your task into smaller, manageable chunks. Okay. What should I do instead of saying write the report? Start with outline the first section. Okay. So, why is this approach effective? Small wins build momentum. Isn't it amazing? Super cool. Now, let's try something else. So, we designed this, but now what I will do, I will click on new napkin and build with AI. Okay, so draft with AI, and now I will give it some topic. So let's suppose we will say five best practices to create marketing funnel. Okay, and click on continue. Now AI will write for you. So let's see. AI is writing five best practices to create a marketing funnel. All right. Understand your audience, create compelling content, optimize for conversion, utilize marketing automation, analyze and optimize. That's great. That's great. So you can simply convert each pointers into the design. But what I will do first, I will take this whole article, select it till here. Okay, and you can see this small icon. Just click on this. And now let's see the magic. This small particles looks very good. Okay, now you see this design where it goes. Okay, it's going down. Multiple designs are here. This one, the pyramid structure. Okay, the blocks structure. All right, this circle, this one. That's really cool. This is looking really good. So now you see, if you try to do these designs manually, or if you hire some freelancer or some graphic designer to design these all sort of thing for your article, and just suppose if you are like doing the 5 7 articles a month, it will cost you thousands of dollars. But if you just use napkin.ai, it will save you so much. And if you are doing any kind of presentation in your office, or presenting any kind of topic or solution to your team, to other members, to anyone, if you do these visuals, it will leave a much bigger impact on them. And I must say you should use this. Now let's see different one. Okay, all right, it have multiple options. Let's see this one. Now this is looking much better. So you see marketing funnel stages, it got divided into stages: awareness, engagement, and conversion. So as everyone know, awareness stage is the stage where the most people are there. Okay. Then engagement stage, the people, number of people who are engaging is drop. Then the conversion is like more lower number. And this is how the funnel works, right? In the start, the people are higher, then the it goes smaller, then smaller and smaller. So it represented so beautifully. And AI is using his brain to create such things. So how good it is. Okay. And now let's see what else you can do. You can simply just change it into multiple designs. And if you suppose you choose a design and you did not like it, okay. So what you can do, you can simply cross this, okay, and then redesign it. And spark search, you can also do that. And label, you can sketch. If you want, you can also simply sketch something, okay, and then do that. So I don't want it to sketch, I just simply use the AI to design everything for me. And then you can also use the images and use that. So I'm not going to use that image, but now let's see what is the pricing for this. Like, this is amazing. I can go more and more and more explaining this whole AI thing. Let's try one more thing. So if I am here, let's try and cross this and select this topic, utilize marketing automation, and see what AI will do. So it is doing its magic, and tada, now it is here. Pretty cool though. You see, so it only takes something from your content and then also use his brain and do a lot of great thing. Okay, beautiful. This design is also good. Okay, I want something unique. So, man, this is superb. But let's try something more. This key. Okay. So enhance lead engagement with strategic marketing automation, and what it says: audience segmentation, user behavior tracking, and personalized emails. And the way designed is superb. This is marketing automation. Wow. Beautiful. All right, so now get back to the napkin.ai and let's see the pricing. So for that, you will simply go over here, click on pricing, and basically the good news, it is free. It's not charging you at all. And I mean, why someone is not charging for such a beautiful tool, such an amazing tool, right? But man, till the time it's free, just go and use it. Okay, I don't know when they will make it paid, but for now, as they said, for individuals and small teams exploring the power of AI driven, always free. So they are saying it always free. Okay, free during beta. Professional plan is like till the beta plan is there, it is free, and then maybe they will do it paid. And lot of features are there: daily and night modes, create unlimited napkins, generate unlimited visuals, collaborate with unlimited editors. Okay, here it's limited, so till when they will like convert this beta into the for permanent then you won't get it for free. So just go use it as much as possible. And yep, so this is all for today's video, and let me know how you like this video. Do you want to ask anything or have any comments for me? And also subscribe this channel, because I'm going to come with lot more about the AI tools and lot more about the AI automations that will change definitely your business up and down. Okay, it will, all this automation that I'm sharing on my channel will going to help your business a lot. It will save you a lot of time, help you to make more money, take your business grow faster. Okay, and all sorts of different things that I'm going to share. So subscribe this right now, and I will see you in the next video.